It's September 10th, 2023. Let's take a quick look at the grapes. The fruits looks pretty matured. I'm still a bit unsure about when to harvest these fruits, but they all looked pretty mature. I think I'm just gonna harvest them next week. I guess one thing I'm looking at is the stem that connects the fruits with the plant itself. If it looks like it's turning yellow, then it's probably ready. Here's the orchids. Here's one of the mini oncidium. The flower spikes are still developing. You can start to see the flower structures. Here's another mini oncidium. It's a bit earlier in the flowering stage. And here's the odontocidium. The flower spike is forming. Very excited for the flowers again. This is the sort of the second year that it has flowered at the same time. And it's September 17th, 2023. Again, here are the grapes. They look pretty much the same. Like I mentioned last week, I'm going to harvest these one today. Here's some smaller fruits. And this is the harvest I did today from the grape. Pretty much it's a full bowl of grape. It's pretty heavy too. And just a quick update on the odontocidium flower spike. You can see it's getting longer now, and you can start to see the individual flowers forming on the spike.